everyone, good morning. Welcome to our live show. This is Luna from Zhejiang Genuine Machine Company. Our company is located in Wenzhou, Zhejiang Province. It's a professional fuel dispenser manufacturer with more than 20 years experience. Today, I'd like to introduce one of our most popular fuel dispensers. Here it is. This is Win Plus series. What's your first impression of this machine? Yes, it must be the height. The height is about 2.3 meters. Please pay attention to 2.3. If you want to ship it by sea, please note it can only be ship loaded for 40 high-cube container. Even the height of 40 cc container is not enough to load it. About the loading quantity, for 40 high-cube container, it can load about 44 units. Now, let's have a look at the details. Our machine mainly has three areas. First is control area. As we can see, this is the display board, and this is the keyboard. About the display board, this is 2-in-1 model. We also have 3-in-1 or separate model. About the keyboard, this is metal keyboard. We also have plastic keyboard. Now, let's open the door to have a look at the details inside. Inside the control area, it has main board, power board, and battery, transformer, solid state relay, and electric filter. About the main board, we have A-type. About the main board, we have A-type. A-type, it can keep 10 pieces records, and B-type, we can keep about 2,000 pieces filling record. About this battery, why there is a battery inside the control area? For example, during your filling, when the power cuted suddenly, then how should we know how much we fulfilled? With the help of this battery, we can redisplay the record of current filling. Now, let's close the door. After the control area, it comes to the hydraulic area. Let's open the door with the key. Inside, let's start from the bottom. This is the motor. Our motor has two models. One 2 voltage. One is 220 volt. Another is 380 volt. 380 volt is cheaper than 220 volt. Next is the pump. This is suction pump. We also have a submersible pump. Suction pump sucks the oil from the oil tank, but submersible pump with motor is outside of this machine. Submersible pump is on the oil tank to push the oil come into the flow meter. This is the flow meter and solenoid valve. Howser. About the pump and the flow meter, we mainly have three types. Let's have a look. This is Bennett type, Tatsuno type, and Tokane type. Bennett type is fan pump, and the Tatsuno Tokane pump is gear pump. Fan pump is cheaper than Tatsuno and the Tokane pump, but fan pump is have a shorter lifetime than gear pump. So if you have a small budget, you can choose fan pump. About our oil, sometimes it will mix with some oil, mixed with some water. So we need to concern about the material. Bennett is aluminum, Tatsuno is aluminum, and Tokane is cast iron. If your oil is mixed with water, cast iron will get rusted easily. So we'd better choose Bennett and Tatsuno. But if your oil is mixed with many dirty and you cannot separate it, so we cannot choose Bennett and Tatsuno. Why? Because they are aluminum material. Aluminum is very soft, will get scratched easily. So we better choose Tokane type, cast iron. It's hard. So aluminum will, if aluminum gets scratched, it will influence the accuracy. Let's have a look of the inner structure. These have one motor, one pump, and two flow meters. This means it can only be used for one product, but two nozzles can work at the same time with the help of two flow meters. Our machine can be used for petrol, for diesel, and for kerosene. If you want to fill petrol and diesel at the same time, no problem. Just make it two motor, two pump, two flow meter. Just separate it. It will be achieved easily to fill two products at the same time. About our quotation, it is include the display board, keyboard, nozzle, hose, and this inner structure. We also have many spare parts for you to choose, such as the emergency stop button and the TV. Also, it has LED and this smart swivel. All these are for you to choose. So, if you need a quotation, please tell us what you need, such as the voltage, one hose, one product, or two hose, two products, and how many quantities of the machine. We have a professional team, so just tell us what you need. We'll achieve it easily. And if you have any other questions, please contact us by email, by WhatsApp, by WeChat. We are online anytime.